The Ozarks team at Century 21 IMMACULATE presents this 2-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,070 square foot single-wide mobile. And there's so much more than you would expect, including a 225 square foot detached shop, a trellised walkway, and many surprising amenities. It's been completely remodeled and decorated with the most amazing details. You'll have to look at the entire video to see all the surprising features of this beautiful home.
Hi, I'm Heather Hendricks with the Ozarks team at Century 21 Lemac Realty with John Shaw behind the camera.
Hi there.
And Monique Bedard.
Hi. Hey, Mo.
Hello.
And today, Monique is going to tell us about this cute place here in Rolling Meadows.
Yes, welcome to 34 Fleck Drive in Rolling Meadows Mountain Home. This is a beautiful 2-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,077 square foot mobile home, and it also has a bonus wood shop. Would you like to see inside?
Oh, I would.
Yeah.
Yes.
Let's go. All right.
I love this covered porch.
Yes, isn't it nice? And we do have a handicap access here, which is really nice.
Yeah, very convenient.
Hello, John. You couldn't wait for us.
Hey. He was excited to see this place.
Well, I can understand why. It is a great place. You will notice all throughout, every single room has amazing woodwork, and that is because the previous owner was a woodworker, and hence the wood shop, which we'll show you in a little while. But I'll try to do my best to point out all the details. So there's lots of built-ins. That bar that you're looking at right now, that is a built-in, so that will stay with the shelf. Yeah, isn't this nice? And I have to point out this. Bet you didn't know this opened.
Oh, that's convenient.
Isn't that neat?
I love how it opens up to the living room area, so you can entertain, and it's an eat-in kitchen basically.
That's right. So you can hang out. You won't miss anything. If you're having people over for the lake house for the weekend, you can party with everyone. And we also have more of these, and also.
A little pantry over here.
Right in here. Come check this out, John.
I love the colors of the cabinets too.
Yes.
Boy, that is a pantry.
Isn't that neat?
So when you got all your friends here, you can feed them.
That's right.
That's where all the good snacks are. Now, Monique, are all of the appliances staying?
They are, yes, including the washer and dryer. And the microwave as well.
And you have natural gas.
Natural gas, yeah.
Awesome. And city water?
City water, and community septic as well.
Awesome. Well, that's convenient. That's taken care of.
It is. All right. Would you like to check out the bedroom number 2 first?
Yeah.
Okay, here's bedroom number 2.
Oh, how cute.
It's adorable.
It is. Nicely decorated.
Yes, and look at this, more built-ins. Again, I promised you this would be throughout.
I love that. I love those shelves. That's perfect, especially where the bed is placed. You know, you can put your books, your nighttime readers.
Exactly. Your alarm clock. Who needs one of those?
Your cell phone, actually. Yeah.
And what's great about this bedroom is they have their own private bath. So come on in here.
It's not the primary bedroom, but it
feels like it.
feels like it. Oh, wow, look at that. That is so cute.
Yeah.
I see what you mean by built-ins.
And you have your own shower, which is nice.
John, I'll step in there and open that shower up for you so you can see.
Wow.
Look how neat and clean that is.
You just would not know you're in a mobile here. You think you're in a luxury home.
That's right. You can move right in. You don't have to do anything. It's very clean and very updated. So, all right, let's go check out the master bedroom.
All right.
Look at this nice little light fixture. And this is a huge master bedroom.
Oh, it is. You know, I thought the other bedroom was pretty big, but
3 times the size.
and I like the double windows on the other side.
Double windows and a fan again in this room. And this one actually, John, you're going to have a walk-in closet.
Ooh. They've got it very tastefully decorated in here, I must say. Oh,
Here I am. Don't you shut that door.
Okay.
But both of us could fit
Yeah,
in here.
both of us, all three of us probably.
Yeah, this is awesome.
And you have
plenty of room.
shelves for your shoes or sweaters, which you won't need too much in Arkansas. And as I promised, woodwork again, I'm going to point out this beautiful woodwork throughout. And also, this bedroom also has its own bath as well, so nobody has to share. So come on through here.
Look at that.
Isn't that nice?
Vanity.
Vanity, yes. And more built-ins here for your linen closet, but again, the attention to detail.
This is a really large bathroom.
This can't be the bathroom in a mobile home.
Isn't it amazing?
It's bigger than most homes are.
It is. And I love that shower.
That is
Yeah.
a beautiful shower. Oh my. Oh, wow.
Well, we can take you to the laundry room next.
Right.
All right.
So, and you did say washer, dryer are staying.
Correct. These will
Awesome.
stay with the property.
And look, I bet he built this too. It's very convenient. And right through here is an add-on and perfect for storage or office area. There's a lot that you could do with this room.
The current owner uses this as an office. She does have a space heater that she puts in here. But there are these built-in shelves. And what is great is right through this door, you have access to the wood shop. Look at that, it's very close.
Right outside.
But John, I think we're gonna take you a different way, right, Monique?
Different way.
Yes, we're gonna go my favorite way.
I think there's a little surprise.
Yeah. You did it again.
He's sneaky.
Are you telling us?
Well, you're gonna wanna see this. Check this out.
You know, it is nice that they have gates on both sides, so if they have pets,
Yes.
they could keep them up here with them.
Little kids could be in there.
That's right. Look how lovely this
Look at
is.
this. Isn't this
Oh.
beautiful?
I feel like we're in a garden.
Oh, this is beautiful.
It is.
And Heather is gonna lead us to the wood shop.
Well, you know, it's cool in here, even though it's bright sunshine outside. It's very nice in here.
Look at this nice little area. You
know.
can sit and have your coffee.
Or your tea when you're taking a break from working. Your sweet tea.
I'm learning. All right, you're gonna love this.
John, have you been in here working already?
Bright sunlight, so I could see you guys coming in.
Well, look at this. They have outlets all the way around. They've got all of their wood up here. This is the perfect wood shop.
Yes.
It is.
And the owner is going to leave that wood for the next person in case they have any use for it.
That's awesome. And look, you even have an AC unit.
That's
Keep you
right.
cool during the summer.
You could stay in here for days. And we have more space.
Oh, it keeps going. Oh, more storage.
More storage, yes.
You don't see a lot of that here, but this is very nice. I mean, I like how you can keep your work separate and then...
Yeah. And then you have this door.
So, I mean, you could even bring ATV or something.
Can you?
Open
Yeah.
and work on it during the winter. Or
That's
something.
right.
Wow.
That's right.
Golf cart. That's
Yes.
Wow. This is amazing. Back to the wood shop. Let's get started making some more of that wonderful trim.
You could probably do it for the whole neighborhood.
Yes.
Because this wouldn't have to be a wood shop. I mean, this could be a theater room or there's a lot of uses this space could go.
Oh, for sure, like a little garden center area in here.
Right.
So, this is awesome. All right, John.
How Hello everyone, thank you so much for joining us today at 34 Fleck Drive. And Heather, tell them more if they want to find out more information, where can they find out?
They can go to enjoytheozarks.com or find us on Facebook, Google, or YouTube. Thanks for watching.
Thanks.
Bye.
If you'd like to know more about this amazing home or to schedule a showing, contact the Ozarks team at enjoytheozarks.com.